Hey guys, this is Ray Chen from your Home Sold Guarantee Realty. This is one of my new up and coming listing, a great triplex in city of Alhambra. Great property, a lot of potential, great income. You have a 3-bedroom, 2-bath unit in the front, and the middle unit is a 1-bedroom, one bathroom, 1 kitchen. The back unit is built a couple years ago. So solar fully paid off, newer copper plumbing, newer appliances, AC, water heater. So this is a great property. We're gonna put on the market pretty soon. I think it's gonna be sold pretty quickly, just because the location, convenience to Freeway 10, easy access to downtown LA, perfect for owner-occupied with multi-generation family of purchase as a rental income. So again, this is Ray Chen from your Home Sold Guarantee Realty. We have 50,000 buyers looking to purchase a home in your city. Give me a call. My number is 626-789-5768. 626-789-5768. Here's my for sale sign in the background.